Today is Thursday and we have had 3 marvelous races. We started this day on the beach or at the harbor. We had too much wind. We had too much wind and too much waves. And after that we waited until 2 o'clock. We took a decision and guys were racing at 3:30. We had 3 great races. We had 20 knots of maximum down to 14. We had a lot of crashes, especially in the first race, but then it went much better. And we were inside again so we could have the barbecue at 7 o'clock. So today was good. From the race committee we had a little bit of an incident where the finishing mark actually sank before the first guys was coming to finish in the race number 4. We fixed it easily and after that everything went perfect. So everyone, thank you for Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday. We hope that we actually can start in time. It's 10:30. See you on the water. Thank you.